Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be going over this look. This is another installment to my Skittles juice inspired makeup looks. And today we're going to be doing the tropical Skittles. So for that juice, I decided to, of course, do a blue look. And this is what I came up with. So for this look, I went back into the Cake Face palette by Time the Infamous. And I used under the brow, I used Crumb Layer. And to do like a transition blending, I used Fully Baked. And for the crease, I used the OG. Just to blend out the blues. And then I laid down some bases so that the colors will appear more vibrant. So I used Max Siahi. It's a fluid line, but I used it as a base. It's a pretty dark teal. I've had this forever and it's still creamy and works perfectly. I use it a lot. And then that was on the outer. And then in the inner corners, I used P. Louise's base in Touch of Frost. And I applied that on the inside. Then, let me see. Trying to remember my steps. So then I think I went into the palette again and I used this one. It's called Ooey Gooey. Gorgeous shimmery teal. So I applied that on the outer area of the lid, and then in the inner corner I used a color outside the palette. This is by Carla Cosmetics. And it's a highlighter in the color Lagoon Waves. So, I don't know if you can see that, but it is a iridescent color. It comes off white or kind of light, but then I guess in person you can kind of see the shift of a light blue into kind of like a purple. And I know my camera's not gonna show it. Somewhat like that. So I use that on the inner corners. And I kind of brought it up so you can kind of see that shift up there. And for the highlight, I used it there. And then on my lips, I used it there. For foundation, I used NYX again. Bear With Me Concealer Serum in Mocha. For blush, I used NYX again. This is one of their, I don't think they still have these, but it's an ombre blush in Code Breaker. Use that on the cheeks. And then I'm going all over. For the lashes, I'm using another Butterfly Effects by Desi Lash. And it's called Intuition. So it's got some pink and blue in the lashes. A little blue butterfly there. So for the lips also, I used some Colored Rain lipsticks again, the old school packaging. So first I went on the outside with this color in Dragonista. And then I went in the middle with, I'm so knocking stuff down, this color by Colored Rain again. And it's in Dramatica. Filled in the lips with that, and then I went on top with the Lagoon Waves highlighter to give it that metallic look, iridescent. So, let me see. I think that was pretty much it. Over the weekend, I got my hair cut and got my first trim into like a style. So I'm growing it out, but I wanted it to kind of look like it had a style to it. So that is the look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Happy Memorial Day. Take care. Oh, and I have one more juice left. Stay tuned for that. Bye.